Number 4. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 Soft Matte Collection Stainless Steel Vacuum Insulated Tumbler is a stellar addition to any traveler or adult's kitchen. Crafted by the renowned brand Stanley, this tumbler comes in a sleek, stormy sea color and boasts a substantial 40 ounces capacity, making it ideal for travel and daily use. This vacuum-insulated tumbler comes with a silicone-sealed 3-position lid and a reusable straw, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Notably, it is dishwasher-safe, adding to its practicality, and being BPA-free underscores its commitment to safety and quality. The solid, round design and the considerable dimensions of 5.82 WX12.3H make it a standout choice for those seeking a reliable, reusable drinkware solution. The package weight of 0.8 kilograms and the item dimensions of 5.82 into 5.82 into 12.3 inches further emphasize its substantial build and capacity. Given the impressive features and high-quality construction associated,